Well, traders, the time has come for you to decide if this service is something for you. So ask yourself these two questions. Are you a beginner or an intermediate trader? Are you looking to eventually become an independent trader? If you answered yes to both these questions, then this service is likely for you. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish, you feed him for a life. A wise quote which we abide by at Forex Lens, and it's our motto for our Forex Signal service. So are you ready to join our community? Become part of hundreds of traders who continue to use our signals as a tool to find great daily setups to trade. Become part of the hundreds of traders that are now more consistent and more confident in their trading using our signals as a confirmation tool. Become part of the thousands of traders that went off to become fully independent traders after a few months with us. Are you ready to be a part of the Forex Lens community? No? Well, that's 100% fine, and we're glad you came to that realization, and we hope you gained some knowledge throughout this course. You now have a better understanding of how Forex signals work, and even if our service is not for you, we still want to offer you something of value. So you can sign up for a free trading room membership and gain access to some of our signals and live trading streams by visiting the link forexlens.com/trading-room to sign up. Maybe if you're on the fence, that's great. At least there's some interest there, but you still have some questions, and we have a team that can really assist and help answer those questions. So we're happy to answer all questions. You can send us questions through email at support@forexlens.com or during our business hours Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can talk to a live agent on our live chat on our website at forexlens.com. Yes? Awesome. Welcome aboard. Here's how to get started. So if you're interested in the signal service only, please visit this URL and sign up there. If you're interested in the signal service plus the daily live sessions, which we highly recommend, please visit this link and sign up there. So we're going to set expectations because we feel like we need to be transparent. So here's what you should expect going forward. So once you have paid for your membership, you will receive an onboarding email from us with instructions on how to start receiving signals. All you'll need to have is a Telegram account, and that's it. You'll now start to receive signals conveniently to your phone and desktop. So what kind of signal performance should you expect from us? So you should expect trade setups with at least 1.35 risk to reward ratios. This is such that we are risking a little to gain a lot and not the other way around. And also all our signals are manually vetted to ensure that the best of the best are sent, and most, if not all, of our signals are sent with some form of explanation or chart work to depict why the trade was being taken. That way you kind of get an insight on what to look out for in the future. So what can we expect from you? So like any service industry, it's a two-way street between the client and the supplier. And so we want you to first finish this course so you get a good idea of what Forex Lens is, what to expect, and how to properly use our signals as tool. We also expect you to be understanding to us as much as we are to you. So Forex, like any other financial market, is wildly unpredictable at times, and losing trades, losing days and weeks can happen, but those are few and far between. We average around 900 to 1200 pips per month across 6 different signal providers. So losing weeks or months is very rare, but because of the nature of Forex market, it can happen. But based on our proven track record and history, you're destined to gain profits if you use the signals the correct way. So now it's your turn to decide what you want to do and if the service is for you. If it is, welcome to the team. Welcome to Forex Lens.